This is the Monsopiad Borneo Bridge near Monsopiad. The JKR refer this as Moyog 1. It is complete. The water is flowing underneath it clearly without any obstruction, which is what it should be during the big flood. But there are other areas like in Tarawi itu that is obstructed at the moment because the Tempatan Banjir is not completed. So the river effectively should look like this. Oh, the river right of Tuputatan and Tupitagas should look like this when the flood mitigation plan is completed, people. But as the minister says and Pinampangti says, macam 2029 baru siap itu Tempatan Banjir. So can we wait that long? It should have been completed like this stretch now, only up to there. This is only to protect the bridge, that's all. But upstream and downstream of this river is still banyak kasampitan sungai, and that's the reason for the floods.